I'm Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a summer green bean salad. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of green beans, washed and trimmed, a pint of tomatoes, 2 ears of corn cut off, feta cheese, and basil. All we do is we dump our green beans in our bowl. We're going to add our tomatoes, and we've chopped them in half. We'll add the corn. And we're going to top it with our feta cheese. We're going to give it a quick stir. And this recipe is part of our Mediterranean curriculum recipes. And we're going to add our homemade vinaigrette dressing. And this is a Dijon mustard vinegar dressing. And we just pour a little bit over. And for finishing touches, we're going to garnish it with basil. And you have a wonderful summer green bean salad.